Have you been thinking about buying DERYTHM Pro? Or maybe you're wondering if it's actually legit or just another online scam. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview to help you decide. First, DERYTHM Pro is marketed as a premium product with features that aim to improve the user experience. It has attracted attention online, but that doesn't automatically mean it's the right choice for everyone. From what I've seen, DERYTHM Pro appears to be a real product rather than an obvious scam. However, that doesn't mean it's perfect. Like many products, your experience can depend on your expectations and how you plan to use it. One thing I always recommend is checking customer reviews from multiple sources. Don't rely only on the testimonials shown on the official website. Look for independent reviews and real user feedback. That will give you a much better picture. You should also compare the features with similar products in the same price range. Sometimes another option may offer better value for your money. Before you buy, make sure you understand the return policy, warranty, and shipping details. Those small details can save you a lot of frustration later. So, is DERYTHM Pro legit? Based on the available information, it appears to be a legitimate product and not an obvious scam. But whether it's worth your money depends on your personal needs, your budget, and what you expect from it. If you're expecting a miracle product, you may end up disappointed. But if its features match what you're looking for, it could be worth considering.